Yeah,
from a
and
legal perspective.
yeah, and the Supreme Court so far, I don't really see them, and we haven't seen them ruling against Trump on any major issues.
Hmm.
And even though, to me, this is so laughable because it so clearly says in Article 1 of the Constitution that the power to tax is with Congress. And so the fact that this is even an issue, and this is probably the greatest example of the total invertebrate state of all the members of Congress, how they have just rolled over and given one power after another to the executive
Hmm.
branch. But what do you think, Kurt?
Yeah, I mean, I think that we have seen the Supreme Court time and again reaffirm, Donald Trump's authority. I don't expect anything to be different here. I wish there was just a button we could press on issues that just fast tracked it immediately to the court, because everything that happens for us from court, while makes for a flashy headline and chatter, ultimately it doesn't matter. Like what a lower court judge does, it's always going to get appealed. It's always going to end up like everything right now is ending up at the Supreme Court, which I think is that should inherently tell us that the system actually isn't really working that well. When everything gets appealed to this point, that laws are not being written well, they're not being interpreted well, they're not being executed well. Getting to the Supreme Court should be a rarity. It should not be the everyday norm of how we do policy in this country.